Have you ever seen a giant wire rope? If so, you might be wondering how it is made, what are the steps needed to make such a big wire rope, and how to ensure its safety. Steel rope is one of the choices used in a construction or craning machine and others because the strength of steel wire rope has been recognized by most people. Steel rope itself is chosen by many people to help them in lifting and towing because it is strong and made of steel. By capitalizing on that strength, steel ropes are widely used in applications related to heavy equipment and bridge construction. Let's see how this giant wire rope is made. The process of making giant wire ropes apparently involves large machine tools operating at high temperatures as well as skilled technicians working simultaneously. It's also quite complex and highly organized, requiring special skills and attention at every step. In the first stage, the wire manufacturing process begins by using high-strength steel bars or thick wire as raw materials. The steel rods are first heated, then passed through a series of rollers to form the desired diameter and shape. This hot rolling process produces small wires that will later be joined together into a giant wire rope. Once the manufacturing stage is complete, the cables are then cleaned and lubricated to prepare them for the next stage. In this process, multiple strands of cable are combined using a twisting machine and selected together to form a hair-like braid. This process ensures that the cables have strength and flexibility. Furthermore, these giant wire ropes are coated with a protective layer to prevent corrosion and extend the lifespan. This coating can be done through various methods such as applying a protective zinc layer or coating with plastic. Overall, the manufacturing of giant wire ropes is a highly technical and precise process. The process involves the use of specialized equipment, skilled technicians, and strict quality control measures to ensure that the end product is strong, durable, and reliable. So, where would this giant monster rope be used? Giant wire rope is an incredibly useful tool, thanks to its incredible strength, durability, and flexibility, making it an essential component in the industrialized world. Let's take a look at some of the most common uses of this wire rope. In the construction and mining industries, giant wire rope is often used in hoists to lift heavy loads and to construct tall buildings. The use of these wire ropes is essential as it ensures efficient and safe lifting of materials to the desired height. Giant wire ropes are often used in bridge construction, especially in suspension bridges to support the weight of the bridge deck and provide the required stability, strength, and flexibility. Its use is ideal in bridge construction because it is able to withstand the forces of wind, lumpa earth, allowing the bridge to swing more easily and safely in the long run. As in San Francisco, one of the most famous suspension bridges in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge uses giant wire ropes that support the bridge deck and connect the city of San Francisco with Marin County. The bridge is capable of supporting thousands of vehicles. In contrast to regular bridges, they are rigid and more likely to be vulnerable to earthquakes due to their lack of flexibility. In addition, the offshore drilling industry relies heavily on the use of giant wire ropes. This rope plays an important role in supporting and controlling drilling equipment and in the transportation of materials. And this giant wire rope is also very useful in the marine industry, such as in mooring and towing activities and in the shipbuilding process itself. The strength and durability of the giant wire rope makes it a great choice that is useful to ensure the ship can be safely anchored. Despite its size and strength, there were still incidents that occurred due to the breaking of this wire rope. In the year 1985, the collapse of the crane tower in the Netherlands was due to the failure of a wire rope that was not strong enough to support the load. A similar incident also occurred in the country of Australia in the year 2007, when the failure of a wire rope on a bridge resulted in the closure of the bridge and disruption of traffic. These incidents emphasize the importance of strict testing and inspection procedures to ensure the safety of giant wire ropes. By implementing the best standards such as maintenance and testing, the industry can reduce the risk of potentially catastrophic failures and ensure the safety of its workers and the general public. Let's explore the steps required to maintain the quality of these giant wire ropes. The first step to maintaining this type of rope is to conduct regular inspections. Visual inspection can identify signs of wear and tear or corrosion that can affect the strength and durability of the wire rope. Non-destructive testing methods such as magnetic particle or ultrasonic testing can detect internal defects that are not apparent on visual inspection. After visual inspection, any detected issues should be addressed immediately. Damaged or worn wire rope parts need to be quickly replaced and regular lubrication performed to prevent further damage. Very strict control is certainly a good thing. Otherwise, it may threaten the safety of many people. Bridge closures or structural failures can disrupt economic activity. In addition to regular maintenance and proper handling, wire ropes should be stored in a clean and dry area to prevent corrosion and deterioration. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.